Students, today we will be discussing the nomenclature of phenols. Look here, please. We will be discussing nomenclature of phenols and nomenclature of ethers. I tell you the method, students. Common name of phenols. I'll give you examples as well. The common names of phenols are named as, we put it like this, the common names of phenols are represented by, students, the common name of phenols is written as the alkyl derivative of phenols, okay, whereas the IUPAC name is written as benzene diol. If one alcoholic group is attached, it is OL. If two alcoholic groups are attached, it is di-OL. If three alcoholic groups are attached, tri-OL, and so on. Please concentrate on what I say. Students, nomenclature of phenols. Phenols are considered as the hydroxy derivative of benzene. Okay. The phenols are considered as what? Hydroxy derivative of benzene. That is the thing here. One thing. And if any alkyl or any other group is attached to the benzene ring, then that is considered as the derivative of phenol. See, concentrate here. Common name. I will give you examples so that the concept will become clear. Common name. IUPAC name. First example. OH. Common name is phenol. IUPAC name because it's a derivative of benzene. Therefore, hydroxy derivative of benzene. Phenols are hydroxy derivative of benzene. IUPAC name will also be phenol. IUPAC name will also be phenol or benzenol. Benzenol. Okay. Other name. 1. Example number 2. Concentrate. Here, this is OH with methyl group attached at position number 1. Students, for IUPAC system, positions 1, 2, 3 are shown. For example, this will be phenol is attached to carbon atom number 1 of benzene ring. Methyl group is attached to carbon atom number 2 of benzene ring. So, IUPAC will be 2 dash M capital 2 methyl benzene. 2 methyl benzene. What about this group here? What about this? Students, what is this? It is 2 methyl benzene. 2 methyl benzene nave 2 methyl phenol. 2 methyl phenol because methyl group is attached to carbon atom number 2 of the phenolic group. Okay? What about phenols here? It will be again ortho position O dash. In common name we consider position number 1. This position as ortho, this as meta, this as para. So it is ortho methyl phenol. Okay. Next, example number 3. Look here. For IUPAC name we consider positions 1, 2, 3. For common name we consider positions as ortho, meta, para for position number 1, 2, 3 respectively. Look here, this is 1. Here, this is phenol here with OH group attached to at ortho position. So what is that? Students, हा काय आहे तर ह्याला कॅटिकॉल म्हणतात. कॅटिकॉल. The common name of or to orthohydroxyphenol म्हटलं तरी चालेल, which is commonly called as catechol. Here catechol, CHOL. What about IUPAC name? That's very important here. IUPAC name will be 2. What is that? 2 hydroxyphenol. 2 केव्हा? We'll put it like this. 2 precisely सांगते तुम्हाला benzene ring है with 2 OH groups attached at position number 1, position number 2. So it is benzene 1 dash घालायची, 1 2 dash घालायची, diol. कळतं का? कारण 2 OH groups are attached to the benzene ring at carbon atom number 1, carbon atom number 2 respectively. Third, fourth example. Please concentrate here. This is meta position. Meta position 2 hydro. We can put it like this. Meta hydroxyphenol म्हणू शकतो. नाहीतर the common name is resorcinol. The common name is resorcinol. Whereas the IUPAC name will be what? How many OH groups are attached to benzene ring? It is 1 2 benzene. As usual, full name लिहायचं. Dash करायचं 1, 1 2 position number 3 म्हणून 1 3 diol. कळतं? benzene 1 3 diol. Example number 5. बघा हा. इथंच modify करून देते students. Example number 5. I'll put it like this. OH here. We put OH here. OH here means what is this? This is called as common name is parahydroxyphenol म्हणा. नाहीतर there is another word quinol. Common name quinol. QUINOL. Parahydroxyphenol किंवा quinol. Whereas IUPAC name will be what? Students, where is OH group attached to? 1 2 3 4. IUPAC name will be benzene dash comma 1 comma 4 comma diol, because 2 alcoholic groups are attached, 2 hydroxyl groups are attached. That's it. That is how you teach the common names and IUPAC name of phenol and of phenol respectively. I'll repeat. Phenol is the hydroxyl derivative of benzene. The common names are ortho position. The common names are represented as ortho, meta, para and all that. Students, मी तुम्हाला अनेक example देते म्हणजे जास्त clear होईल तुम्हाला. Sixth example. Look here please. This is OH. This is nitro group, NO2 group. ह्याचं नाव काय येणार? Look here. This is phenol, no doubt, with nitro group at para position, so it is para-nitrophenol. What about IUPAC name? Students, IUPAC name will be 4. Why 4? Position number 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 dash N capital, 4 nitrophenol. किंवा बेन्झिनॉल म्हटलं तरी चालेल. Okay, so common names of phenol is point number 1. What are you going to remember? Phenol is considered as the hydroxyl derivative of benzene. Point number 2, students, while naming the groups attached to phenol, we consider them as ortho, meta, para position. Ortho, meta, para is followed to represent the position, whereas in IUPAC name the positions are represented as 1 2 3 4 etc. ठीक है? Phenol is in IUPAC system, it is also called as benzenol. Last letter, full letter लिहायचं benzenol. This is benzene 1 because the derivatives of benzene, therefore it is benzene 1 2 diol. Diol का? कारण 2 alcoholic groups attached आहेत. म्हणून बेन्झीन फुल लिहायचं, अल्केन पूर्ण लिहायचं. अल्केन 1,4 डायॉल, 1,3 डायॉल, 1,2 डायॉल फॉर ऑर्थो, मेटा, ऑर्थो, para and meta respectively. That's it. Now ethers, nomenclature of ethers. Students, common name is written as the alkyl group attached followed with ether. The last word for common name, to write the common names of ether, the last word for common name will be ether and the first name will be the alkyl groups attached. If two or more alkyl groups are attached, then alphabetical order is followed, and if alkyl groups attached to ether are same, then students we use di, tri or di, tri and all that. Are you okay? I'll repeat. Ether is what? Two alkyl groups are attached to alkyl or aryl groups attached on both sides of oxygen atom is ether. For common name, the name of the alkyl group comes first, then followed by ether. For IUPAC name, it's not so. It's totally different. Students, if the different alkyl groups are attached to ether, alphabetical order is followed. And if same alkyl groups are attached to ether, the di, tri prefixes are used. Students, for IUPAC name, we consider the longest chain attached to oxygen atom. That is written as the parent alkane. And the short chain is written as the alkoxy. म्हणजे IUPAC नेम मध्ये अल्कोक्सी पेरेंट अल्केन, अल्कोक्सी पेरेंट अल्केन कळतंय. म्हणजे ऑक्सिजन ॲटमला एका साइडला कुठली चेन आहे, दुसऱ्या साइडला कुठली चेन आहे ते बघायची. लॉंगेस्ट चेन ही पेरेंट अल्केन झाली आणि जे ग्रुप त्याला एका साइडला जोडलं असेल दॅट विल बी अल्कोक्सी. सो हाऊ वी रिप्रेझेंट IUPAC नेम? अल्कोक्सी इथेन, अल्कोक्सी पेरेंट अल्केन. एक्झाम्पल, पहिला कॉमन नेम घेऊया. We'll take the common name. For IUPAC, we consider the parent alkane, longest chain, and that is considered as the parent alkane with the alkoxy group attached to oxygen atom. First, CH3, OCH3. What is ether? Two alkyl, may be same, may be different. If same, symmetric, different, asymmetric or aryl groups attached to oxygen atom, त्याला ether म्हणतात. Common name, last word always ether. How many methyl groups are attached? Same alkyl groups are attached on either side of oxygen atom. So it is dimethyl ether. Students, IUPAC name ला longest chain जी attached है ती पेरेंट होणार, पण इथे लॉंगेस्ट चेन आर बोथ सेम. सो इट विल बी मिथेन पहिला लिहायचा, which is this group, to which methoxy group is attached. So it will be capital M, methoxy methane, methoxy methane. आता हे घ्या, C2H5 O CH3. कळतं? What will be? It will be follow the alphabetical order. It will be ethyl, ethyl पहिला, कारण E पहिला येतो. Ethyl, methyl as usual ends with the last word, that is ether. What about the IUPAC name? Longest chain कुठली आहे? पेरेंट अल्केन कुठची? ही longest chain आहे. तुम्हाला हे प्रिसाइज मेंशन करायचं असंही लिहू शकता. You can write it like this: CH3, CH2. The longest chain attached to oxygen atom is ethyl. That forms the parent alkane, that is ethane. To which group is attached? Methyl group is attached, methoxy. So it will be methoxy ethane. Are you okay? Look into the third one here. CH3 O, CH2, CH2, CH3. Is it okay? What will be the name here? It is, what is this? Methyl N-propyl ether. Students, N ह्याला पोझिशन कन्सिडर केली जाते ती. N हा अल्फाबेट फॉलो करायचा नाही. मग M पहिला येतं का N पहिला येतं? सॉरी, M पहिला येतं का P पहिला येतं? P पहिला येतं. Sorry, whether, look here, what I am saying, to write the common name we have to use alphabetical order but not the position of the locant. Like this is N-propyl here, but you should not consider N as the alphabet. So what will be the common name? It will be methyl, because P comes after M. My point here in telling you is P comes after M. So it will be M small, methyl N-propyl ether. म्हणजे तुम्ही असं म्हणा टीचर N इथं आहे, आता N असेल कुठलंही असेल, आयझो असलं तरी आयझो ही कन्सिडर करायचं नाही. अल्फाबेट ग्रुप्स अटॅच्ड. ठीक आहे. व्हॉट विल बी IUPAC name here, students? Parent alkane, longest chain is this. What is that? It forms the parent alkane. Propane, to which what group is attached? Methyl group is attached. So it will be methoxy propane. Are you okay? Are you okay, students? This is how you are going to name here. Are you okay? That is how the ethers are named. Fine. For today I will stop. Tomorrow we will learn the synthesis of phenols, ethers and alcohols. Okay? It's very easy. Don't worry. We'll stop for today. Bye.